Looking to transform your daily commute or simply upgrade your ride? We've scoured Amazon to bring you the 16 best car gadgets proven to enhance safety, convenience, and entertainment. From essential safety tools to smart tech for a smoother journey, these finds offer incredible value. Stay tuned to discover innovative solutions. And remember, all prices and product links can be found in the description below. Number 1 is the VANMASS car phone holder, designed to keep your device secure and visible. This holder boasts a super strong suction cup that adheres firmly to your dashboard or windshield, ensuring your phone stays put even on bumpy roads. Its universal design accommodates most smartphones, allowing for easy one-handed operation. Enjoy hassle-free navigation and hands-free calls with this reliable and affordable accessory, typically priced under $10. Number 2. The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dashcam provides comprehensive protection for your vehicle. Capturing stunning 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear, it ensures every detail is recorded. Built-in GPS tracks your route and speed, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy video access via your smartphone. With superior night vision and parking surveillance, this dashcam is a vigilant witness on the road, available for around $100. Number 3 introduces the DoHonest baby car camera, offering peace of mind for parents on the go. This HD 1080p camera provides a crystal-clear, wide-angle view of your child in the backseat, streamed to a dedicated monitor. Its enhanced night vision ensures visibility even in low light, eliminating the need to turn around or constantly adjust mirrors. Easy to install and incredibly reassuring, this essential safety gadget is typically under $30. Number 4. The REDTIGER 4K Dashcam delivers premium recording quality for front and rear views. Experience crystal-clear 4K video for the front and 1080p for the rear, providing comprehensive coverage of your journeys. It features built-in GPS for accurate location and speed tracking, alongside Wi-Fi for seamless file transfers. With advanced night vision and a parking monitor, it's a robust guardian for your vehicle, generally priced around $120. Number 5 brings us the Pioneer TS F1634, our 6.5-inch car speakers, an effortless upgrade for your vehicle's audio. These two-way speakers deliver clear, dynamic sound, significantly improving your music experience without complex installations. Pioneer's reputation for quality ensures a noticeable boost in clarity and bass response over factory speakers. Transform your car's sound system with this affordable enhancement, typically found for under $30. Number 6 features the lanpard Faraday Pouch for car keys, a simple yet vital security measure. This pouch effectively blocks RFID and other signals, protecting your key fob from relay attack theft. Its durable design ensures long-lasting protection against sophisticated car thieves. By simply placing your key inside, you add a crucial layer of security, safeguarding your vehicle and peace of mind. This essential item is available for under $10. Number 7 is the Pioneer MVH S110BT digital media receiver, a modern upgrade for your car's entertainment. This head unit offers seamless Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming, along with USB and auxiliary inputs. Enjoy Pioneer's renowned sound quality and intuitive controls for an enhanced driving experience. It's a fantastic way to bring contemporary features to an older vehicle without breaking the bank, usually under $50. Number 8. The Cobra RAD 480i radar detector offers advanced warning for speed traps. This detector provides long-range detection of all radar and laser guns, giving you ample time to adjust your speed. Its iRadar app connectivity adds real-time alerts from other users, enhancing its effectiveness. With excellent false alert filtering, you get accurate warnings when they matter most. This smart detector is typically priced around $120. Number 9 is the VICSEED sturdy car phone holder, engineered for maximum stability. Featuring an upgraded suction cup and a robust clamp, this holder ensures your phone remains securely in place, even on rough terrain. Its highly adjustable arm and 360-degree rotation provide optimal viewing angles for navigation or hands-free calls. Enjoy a stable and convenient phone mount that adapts to your needs, generally available for around $25. Number 10. The NOCO Boost GB40 Jump Starter is an essential tool for every vehicle owner. This compact yet powerful device delivers 1,000 amps, capable of jump-starting most cars, SUVs, and even trucks. Its ultra-safe, spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection make it incredibly user-friendly. Don't get stranded with a dead battery. This portable powerhouse also charges your USB devices, typically priced around $75. Number 11 introduces the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 scanner, your personal diagnostic tool. This easy-to-use scanner quickly reads and clears check engine lights, displaying diagnostic trouble codes and their definitions. Compatible with most vehicles made after 1996, it helps you identify potential issues before visiting a mechanic, saving you time and money. Empower yourself with this invaluable insight into your car's health, available for under $30. Number 12 is the NOCO Genius One Smart Battery Charger, designed to maintain and extend your battery's life. This versatile charger works with various battery types, offering smart charging, desulfation, and trickle charging modes. Its compact size and advanced technology make it perfect for keeping your car, motorcycle, or boat battery in optimal condition. Invest in battery longevity and reliability with this efficient device, typically priced under $30. Number 13 brings us the Kidde Car Fire Extinguisher, a crucial safety item for any vehicle. Compact and easy to mount, this extinguisher is designed to tackle small electrical, liquid, and ordinary combustible fires, providing vital protection in an emergency. Being prepared for the unexpected can make all the difference, safeguarding your vehicle and its occupants. This indispensable safety tool is available for under $25. Number 14 features the AstroAI L7 Cordless Tire Inflator, making tire maintenance effortless. This portable cordless device quickly inflates car, bike, and sports equipment tires with precision. Its digital display and auto shut-off function ensure accurate pressure without overinflation. Keep your tires properly inflated for better fuel efficiency and safety without the hassle of cords. This convenient inflator is generally priced around $40. Number 15 is the OlarHike Cordless Tire Inflator, a compact solution for on-the-go tire care. This portable device offers quick and accurate inflation for various tires, featuring a digital pressure gauge and automatic shutoff. Its built-in LED light is perfect for nighttime emergencies, providing both illumination and inflation power. Ensure optimal tire pressure for safer and more efficient driving, typically available for under $30. Finally, number 16 is the ETENWOLF T300 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge, a simple yet essential tool. This digital gauge provides fast, accurate tire pressure readings, crucial for maintaining optimal performance and safety. Its ergonomic design and backlit display make it easy to use, day or night. Regularly checking your tire pressure can improve fuel economy and extend tire life. This must-have gadget is incredibly affordable, priced under $10. That wraps up our list of the best car gadgets to enhance your driving experience. If you found these finds helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more top gear recommendations. All product links and detailed pricing are available in the description below.